Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuss by Reggie here. Back with another video. Today, we have a review of a new clipper, right? First off, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, dislike, share, stay engaged, right? Today, we have the Andis reVITE. reVITE, however, right? This clipper dropped on September 19th. That was a Monday. Delivery came very fast. Side note, somebody was like, in my comments, they was like, we don't care about delivery time. Some people do. So if you don't, I do, right? Unless I pre-order something, if I order something, I would expect it in a timely manner. That's why I include delivery, right? But I ordered it on that Monday, right when I was able to. I think it was about 11 o'clock, and it got to the shop that Wednesday, Thursday, right? From the website, it is $220. Now, there are websites where you can get it cheaper. I've seen it down to $155-ish. If I can find that website again, I'll leave a few of the other websites in the description. The lowest I seen it was about $155, but from Atlanta Barber, I know I seen it like $170, $180, right? So yeah, got here pretty decent timing. As far as the package, decent package. It's an Andis package, so nothing crazy, but it is nice, right? As far as package, and I know people don't care about packaging. As far as package, I do like it. I do like the box. Their new slogan, create your way, all that good stuff. You get the machine. I'm going to try to make this shorter than I usually do on reviews. And I'm going to go ahead and let you know. This is not a good clipper, right? As far as what it comes with the charger cord and 12 guards, right? So the reason it has 12 guards, because I was like, why does it have 12 if it's just from a half guard to an 8 guard, right? So they have one and a half, which is normal. They have a two and a half, and then a 3, and then a 3.5, which I honestly don't need those in betweens. Like a lot of the times don't even use a 1.5 actual guard, right? But not saying it won't help other people. To me, unnecessary, right? So, whatever. 2 hours of runtime, 5,500 RPM, rotary motor. I was reading somewhere online that this has the same power as a Andis Master and all that good stuff, and it doesn't. Maybe it feels different to people. Not saying that RPM is the technical, but this has 5,500 RPM. The Master has like 7,500, something like that. So it feels different. The design of this clipper is not a bad clipper in the sense of how it looks. It actually looks pretty nice. It's small. The black one got this metal back on it. The black comes with a fade blade. The white or gray version comes with a taper blade. I was going to get another the actual taper blade, but when I was looking for them, they were sold out. But on the side of it being sold out, the other blade is $50. Yes, price is a price. $50 for an extra blade, though, you know what I mean, I'm still going to get it, or I want it to. I probably won't now, but I wanted to in the beginning. But after using it, probably not, all right? You get 2 hours of runtime. As far as performance, laying down to her with this, not good at all. I don't know why. It got that slower motor in it, but going through bulk, not good. Laying down waves, not good. The only time that I had a good experience with this clipper is when I'm fading and opening it up to not needing a guard. Once you put a guard on it, these guards are terrible. Going against the grain, these guards are terrible. Laying down to her, these guards are terrible, right? You see, I don't know, like, I don't know if it's the thickness of them that don't fit on, or that's another problem I was gonna get to. But I don't know if it's I don't know what it is with these. But you see that little, it don't feel like it clicks on like tight on it. Like it clicks on, like it stays on, but that little gap in between, it just feels like it's not technically made for this, but it is. I don't know if that makes sense, right? The other problem is that has been the biggest problem with me, right? And then when I'm talking about the use of this clipper, it's my opinion. This is my usage of the clipper. It's not even my opinion. I mean, it's my opinion, but it's my actual use of the clipper. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen what I'm talking about, right? So when you're opening it, right, you got it open, then you close it. When you close it, that happens every time, right? And like I put up a video of me brushing it off, right? And then when I'm brushing it off, it pops off. Somebody was like, well, you're putting too much pressure on it. Could be true. Big guy, heavy-handed, I understand. But to close the clipper and then it falls off every time, that's not a good use of the clipper, right? Now, somebody was like, well, it probably happened when you zero gap, because they heard somebody else say that it happened when they zero gap the blade. I didn't zero gap mine. If you've been watching my reviews or watching me on Instagram, before I actually work or zero gap anything, I use it as it is. No zero gapping whatsoever. It just pops off. Then it pops off when you're brushing it, right? I have seen some people say they haven't had that problem, but I have had that problem, right? But I still put it to use. I just learned that when I'm using it, just to hold this when I'm closing it, opening it, cleaning it. I still wanted to get used, so I used it until it died. Gave it another charge. Like, I've been using it, and I will be dropping a video of me cutting hair with this clipper, partially with this clipper, because it seems like every time that I use this clipper to do a fade or anything, lay down hair, it's like I always had to go back over it with another clipper. I don't think this clipper is designed well. Now, this is no knock on Andis as an entirety, because I got hate when I said I like the new Andis Master, and now I'm getting hate because I don't like this reVITE. This is not a good clipper whatsoever. If you're using it to fade without the guard, maybe you get a decent fade. But so I'm gonna put a video here. One side of the head is me tapering it with this. It's not a smooth blend. It doesn't come out good. I had to go back over it with another clipper. And then the other side is me fading it with the Rebel, which is one of my top clippers, I know. But it's just a different feel. It's just a different cut. Everything's different about it, right? So, yeah, I'm not a fan of this clipper. For $220, you don't get a charge dot. You only get 2 hours of runtime. And I know there's going to be somebody, well, think about this. And I don't want to think about anything else except for my experience with this actual clipper. And if you think you will like it, please go watch other people's reviews, because I've heard from other people that they love the clipper. They haven't had a problem with the blade falling off. I can only speak of what I go through. So shout out to Tank, because I've talked to Tank and Tank hasn't had a problem. So when he dropped his review, please go hear his side. I know I've seen 360 Jeezy with the clipper. Go see what he has to say. Sean Cuts Her. Anybody that have this clipper, go get another well-rounded opinion about the clipper before you say yes or no to the clipper, right? So all in all, before I actually get off of it too, there were certain textures of hair that this clipper did work decently on. Okay, so I don't know, if you want to get it just to have it, makes sense. But as an all-around clipper, as your day-to-day in and out clipper, in my opinion, this is not going to be it. This is not going to be it. Somebody commented on my Instagram and was like, what y'all got to understand is Andis still going to sell. And when I give my opinion on something, it has nothing to do with how much money they gonna make off of something. Yeah, they're still gonna sell it. And when Andis drops something else, I'm still gonna buy it. That doesn't change the fact my use with this clipper. Like this is built as it's very lightweight. It's small in my hand. This is built more like, and I said it to my unboxing, it's built more like a store brand clipper. Like if you go in Walmart, you go to the hair aisle, they got clippers, they got Wall, they got Andis or whatever, right? This feels like it's made for that. And at first I was like, well, maybe if this wasn't the problem, then it'd be okay. But it doesn't cut well. Every time I use it, I had to go back over with something else. So $220, definitely not worth the money. So I just answered it. But, you know, I usually say, is it worth the buy? Is it worth the price that they're charging? In my opinion, this is not worth $220, $180. Like, I don't know what you would buy this at. You know what I'm saying? This is more of a store brand clipper to me. That's my opinion on the Andis reVITE. And no, this is not a knock on Andis. I will still continue to support Andis like I continue to support everybody else because I like this industry. I like to buy new products. But I don't think they did a good job on this. I have DMs from other people saying that I should do this to make it work or I should do this to make it better. And I understand that. But just from the use of the clipper, this is not a good clipper. I do not suggest anyone buy it right now. Maybe they fix something later. Maybe they go over and tweak a few things and the second generation of this clipper might be a better buy. But as of right now, I do not suggest anyone buy the Andis reVITE. My opinion. If you like the videos, like the videos. If you dislike this video or any other video, thumbs down. Comment, share. Please subscribe to the channel. We're trying to still hit the 10,000 mark before the year is out. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, we'll be back with another review, another tutorial, another unboxing, something. All right. Like I said, I will be dropping a video of me cutting with these full haircut. If you go to my Instagram, there are slight videos of me using it or whatever, but I will drop a full video either later this week or next week of me actually using the clipper. All right. We'll be back with another video. Peace.